Welcome to Sri Narayan Guru High School, Standard 5, Unit 1. Lesson today we are going to see is Strawberries by Sajita Nulke. In this slide we can see strawberries. Some are red in color, some are blue, some are purple, yellow, white. That means strawberries are of different varieties and they have come in different colors. So today we will learn about strawberries. First of all, we will see that strawberries, from where does it grow, which are the different parts in the world strawberry grows, and in India, from where do we find it, where do we have more cultivation. All this we can study further. As shown in the slide, strawberries are grown in different countries. If you see this, you can see that United States of America is the largest strawberry growing country in the world. Next comes Mexico, Egypt, Turkey, Spain, Russian Federation, Poland, South Korea, Japan, Germany, Morocco, and it goes on like this. And next, after this, let us go to our country. Leading producers of strawberries in India. In India, we can see Srinagar, Shimla, Delhi, Lucknow, Patna, Ranchi, Shillong, Mahabaleshwar, Bangalore, and little parts of Ooty. Strawberry originally came from Brittany in France in the year 1750s. Brittany is a place in France. Here, first time strawberry was cultivated. Heaviest strawberry found in Japan was by Koji Nakao. He is the man you can see in this slide. His name is Koji Nakao, and this strawberry got a Guinness World Record. That also you can see it in the slide. The heaviest strawberry that was found in Japan. Strawberry farming is mostly done in Maharashtra, in Mahabaleshwar, in Satara district. You can see how the farming is cultivated. Smallest strawberry also was found in Mahabaleshwar. It also got a Guinness World Record, which was about 5 millimeters. You can see that we can make different products from strawberries. Few products which are made from strawberries are jam, yogurt, face mask. Usually ladies use it for their facial work. Ketchup and cake also. And it can be used for ice creams also. Ice creams also can be made. I will read the poem now. Keep your fingers. Strawberries that in garden grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. No need for ball or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, has the wild berry plucked in June, besides the trickling stream. Now, let me explain you stanza by stanza. Strawberries that in garden grow are plump and juicy fine, but sweeter far as wise men know, spring from the woodland vine. Strawberries that are grown in the garden are very juicy and plumpy. Plump means fleshy, full rounded in shape. When a fruit is fleshy, it contains lots of juice in it and it tastes yummy. Strawberries are of different varieties and colors as I showed you earlier. So here the woodland strawberry is one such variety which is much sweeter than the ordinary one, and it is grown on the climbing or getting the support of other trees. See here, you can see the climber has climbed on a tree, and in this slide left side you can see the strawberries clinging downwards to the creeper. Here you can see the woodland. Woodland means trees which are very nearby and it is dense. Next stanza. No need of bowl or silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream, has the wild berry plucked in June besides the trickling stream. Strawberry itself is a simple fruit. It can be eaten like that only. There is no need of any extra things to be added like sugar, or it don't need any silver spoon. We don't need to peel the skin or cut it and eat. We can eat the fruit directly without adding any sugar, spice or cream in it. Wild strawberries are grown or cultivated near the trickling stream in the time of midsummer. Now, let us know few benefits of eating strawberries. Strawberry is rich in vitamin C and fiber. It promotes brain health. It also helps in digestion. It also boosts immunity in our body. It protects against cancer. It lowers your blood pressure. So children, whenever you are going to the market, don't forget to buy strawberries.